morning mga bossing. So, nasa kalsada tayo ngayon dahil papunta tayo ng Bacolod. So anong meron sa Bacolod? Almost every weekend bumabiyahe ako ng Bacolod. So a little bit about me. I'm Carlo again. I'm a chef by profession. Meron din tayong mga maliliit na negosyo here and there. Naka main na kumbaga racket natin is pagiging chef instructor. So, meron po tayong school as you have seen in previous vlogs already. Meron tayong school sa Dumaguete which is called New World Culinary Institute. Also teaching at another school sa Bacolod which is Culinary Arts of First Academy. Both schools offer a diploma program for culinary arts, and then both schools as well, North and South, we have short courses na 5-day basic culinary masterclass, and meron din po tayong 10-day certificate in professional culinary arts. So join me today as I hold my class sa Bacolod, and sana meron tayong mga mapasyalang ibang lugar while nandun tayo sa Bacolod. Siguro kahit konting food trip o kung ano man lang. So stay tuned mga bossing. Magandang umaga. Hindi na ako nakapag-video dahil madilim pa nung umalis tayo ng Dumaguete. Pero ngayon nandito na tayo sa, well, we're almost in San Carlos City. So San Carlos City is where I was born. This is basically my hometown, and dito ko pinipiling dumaan whenever I'm going to Bacolod. So merong dalawang daan. Ito full coastal, South Dumaguete going north. We pass by a couple of towns like Ihulgan, Vallehermoso, and then until we get to Negros Occidental, which is ito na yung San Carlos City. Tapos ng San Carlos City, aakit naman tayo sa bundok via Don Salvador Benedicto to get to Bacolod. Yung scenery ng daan papunta ng Bacolod via San Carlos. May isa pang way which is basically sa kabila, dadaan ka naman ng Mabinay, and then pagbaba mo is Kabangkalan. So yun naman, hindi siya coastal, akit ka ng bundok. Tapos sa kabilang side, which is sa left part naman ng Negros Island, yung magiging parang coastal na daan mo dito, nasa right part tayo. Tapos tatawid tayo via Don Salvador Benedicto pa rin naman. Ayun, let me give you a quick tour ng well, yung grounds ng San Carlos City. Bali dito kasi maraming, kumbaga pinaka-activity dito is football. Ito, kung titingnan nyo, sa likod ko are football fields. And then ayan po yung City Hall ng San Carlos. And then ayan, pati dito sa likod ko, ayan, turn around ko yung camera. Bali puro football fields dito. This is what we call Center Mall, na walang mall. I think yan, may building dyan somewhere natatakpan ng mga puno. I think may building dyan, may building talaga dyan na supposed to be mall. I think yun yung reason bakit nila tinawag ito na Center Mall because it's a big field, tapos may mall, sort of, kaya naging Center Mall. I have to research on that ulit, but yeah, so this is how peaceful life is dito sa San Carlos City. Paka-relax, given na today is a Saturday. And ayan, again, that's the City Hall right there. Ayan, so napapaligiran na naman again ng mga football fields. Pagbalik ko dito sa Sunday, baka may time ako, there are some nice places you can sort of like tambay dito sa San Carlos City. Pero ngayon, aakit muna tayo ng Don Salvador kasi meron tayong class sa Bacolod. Alright. Ayan, kakasabi ko lang kanina, football. Going out of San Carlos na, but meron po palang mga laro ngayon. Ayan. Nandito na po tayo sa Bacolod, and ito po ang Fast Central College or First Academy. Dito po located yung ating culinary school na pinagtuturuan dito sa Bacolod. So yan po, located dito sa E. Rodriguez Street nga ba? Avenue? Ayan, basta E. Rodriguez dito sa Bacolod City. So yan ang building, RMD building, FAST Central College, dating First Academy. So dyan po sa second floor ang ating kusina for the short courses. So ayan, pasok tayo. So ayan, welcome sa loob ng FAST Central College. Under namin ang Culinary Arts of First Academy, which is the Culinary School of FAST Central College. Let me show you the new kitchen namin dito, where we conduct the short courses for 5-day basic culinary masterclass, as well as the certificate in professional cooking, which is 10 days. So yeah, as you can see, bagong-bago yung setup ng kitchen. We have new equipments, and then today we will have a class, so we're just waiting for the students. We have more than we can accommodate more than 15 students. We can max out at 15 as well. So we have a very spacious kitchen all over. Ayan, we're still doing some finishing touches, but yung mga gamit kompleto na. And then this is our storage facility, where we put all of our smallwares and mga cooking equipment and all. And meron po tayong mga stove dito, washing area. Ayan, so tayong mga stove na meron mga ovens. Ayan. And naka semi-prep na yung stations for the students today. Kaming isa pang kitchen sa baba, which is for the diploma program ng Culinary Arts of First Academy. Culinary Arts of First Academy is an accredited institution by the World Association of Master Chefs, which is based in Australia, certified with the level 3 certificate in international cookery. So if you dream of becoming a chef, working for a hotel or a resort, or maybe, you know, make your own business or be better at your own business already, then please visit us here in Bacolod City. Again, that's FAST Central College, which is formerly First Academy, under Culinary Arts of First Academy, RMD Building, E. Rodriguez, here in Bacolod City. Alright, so these are our students for the short courses. Mga ma'am, please say hi to the camera. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Yan, so they are going through our life skills session for today, and then next week they'll be starting to do some items and be cooking as well. Stay tuned sa mga lulutuin nila, 'di ba? Ayan.